Man is curious to see the unseen, to know the unknown, and to explore the unexplored. Niagara Waterfall, border of Ontario, Canada and New York, United States. Niagara Falls is the collective name of three big waterfalls on the Niagara River in eastern North America, on the border between the United States and Canada. The three waterfalls are the Horseshoe Falls, sometimes called the Canadian Falls, the American Falls, and the smaller Bridal Veil Falls. The American Falls and the Horseshoe Falls are separated with Goat Island, and the Bridal Veil Falls separated from the other waterfalls with Luna Island. Niagara Falls is very well known for both its beauty and hydroelectric power. It has been a tourist attraction, commercial site, and hydroelectricity source since the 19th century. It is located near Niagara Falls, New York in the United States and Niagara Falls, Ontario in Canada. The volume of water approaching the falls during peak flow season may sometimes be as much as 225,000 cubic feet per second. Total height of this waterfall is 167 feet or 51 meters. Niagara Falls were formed when glaciers receded at the end of the Wisconsin glaciation. The cities of Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada, and Niagara Falls, New York, United States are connected by two international bridges. Water from the newly formed Great Lakes carved a path through the Niagara escarpment en route from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario and the Atlantic Ocean. Water from the newly formed Great Lake carved a path through the Niagara escarpment en route from Lake Erie to Lake Ontario and the Atlantic Ocean. The escarpment has hard limestone on top and soft shell below. Although not very high, Niagara Falls is very wide and is probably the most popular waterfall in the world. The Horseshoe Falls are the largest out of the three falls. It is named the Horseshoe Falls because it looks like a horseshoe. Niagara Falls is a very popular tourist destination and many people visit it on holiday in Canada. They have a lot of fun there and keep the scenes in the frame. What a beautiful scenery, the rainbow on the river. It is a one piece of heaven. Every year, many luxury and travel-loving people from different countries of the world get the satisfaction of standing near this vast Niagara. Makes life sweeter. They enjoy the beauty of Niagara by boat and rest in luxury hotel nearby. Let life become more colorful next to Niagara.